Hello, hi everyone. I am Yogish PM, mathematics teacher of Anant International School. Welcome to online class. Today I am explaining 9th standard compound interest without using formula lesson. Shall I start the problems, dear children? Dear children, I am explaining now compound interest without using the formula lesson. Exercise second problem, second sub question. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 8,000 in 2.5 years. 2.5 years at 15% per annum. 15% per annum, dear children. How to do? Last class I explained two problems, whole numbers, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years like this. Here 2.5 years is there. Time, see, in the compound interest per annum 15% means first year 15% per annum, principal amount is 8,000. Second year, that first year amount became second year principal, rate of interest 15%, then second year we will find out. T value 1 we will take. First year also T value will take 1 year. Then third step, the principal amount became, at the end of the second year, amount is principal amount of the third step. Then time it became half year, means 1/2 years. Then rate of interest same. Dear children, what I am explaining the meaning you should understand. Then you should continue the solution. Directly if I started writing the solution means who will explain? Because I am explaining beginning the steps of the solution. First step is, see here 2.5 years means here 3 steps will come, dear children. 1 minute. Dear children, once again by solving I will explain. Coming to the solution, dear children. Solution. For first year. What is that first year? Principal amount, what is it? First year, principal amount is rupees 8,000. Rupees 8,000. Then time is equal to 1 year. Rate of interest is equal to 15% per annum. Formula, what is it? Interest formula. You know that interest formula is equal PTR divided by 100 is equal to, P value means P is nothing but that is principal amount. P value, what is the principal? 8,000 into time 1 year into rate of interest 15 divided by 100. Simplification, dear children. What is next step? See, 2020 over, then remaining 80 into 15 will come. Then interest is equal to, it became interest is equal to 15 8s are 120, then 120 10 as it is, means 1,200. The interest amount for 1 year for 8,000 at the rate of interest 15% per annum, the 1 year interest became 1,200. What next step, dear children? See, at the end of the first year amount how much became? Amount is equal to principal plus interest is equal to, principal how much is it? 8,000 plus interest 1,200 is equal to 8,000 plus 1,000 9,000, 9,200. Addition easy is there. Now this amount, what is there here, dear children? Very very important. This is the first year, at the end of the first year amount is equal to, that is 9,200, dear children. 9,200. This 9,200 became principal amount of the second year. Shall I continue the next step? That for second year. See, totally how many years amount and compound interest we are finding? 2.5 years. First year over. Second year, that principal amount how much became? The second year beginning principal amount became, don't write down 8,000. That first year end amount how much is? Amount how it became? That is principal plus interest. Principal is this one, beginning of the first year, that principal plus at the end of the first year interest is equal to amount. It became amount of the first year. That amount of the first year, it became second year principal. That is 9,200. Then time is equal to 1 year. Here also for 1 year we are finding the interest. Next, rate of interest also same, 15% per annum. What next step? Formula, interest is equal to PTR divided by 100 is equal to principal amount, dear children. Principal amount is 9,200 into time is 1 year into rate of interest is 15 divided by 100 is equal to, what is next step, dear children? Look here. Here also denominator 20, numerator 20 cancel. 92 into 15 will come. That product how much will come? Product is equal to 15 2s are 15 2s are 30, 0 3 carry, 15 9s are 135, 135 plus 3 138 means 1,380 rupees became interest, dear children. Shall I write in the second year end? At the end of the second year, interest is equal to rupees 1,380 rupees. At the end of the second year amount, at the end of the second year amount, look here, dear children, the amount is equal to principal plus interest. Which principal? The second year beginning principal, that is 9,200 plus interest amount, what is there in the second year? 1,380 is equal to that two addition. See, look here, 0 plus 0, 0, then 8 plus 0, 8, then 3 plus 2, 5, then 1 plus 9, 10, means 10,580 rupees is the at the end of the second year, dear children. I will put the box in green marker, dear children. See, this is at the end of the first year amount, this is at the end of the second year amount. See, I want 2.5 year amount. At the end of the 2.5 year, how much amount? At the 2.5 year compound interest, how much? I will go to directly now for, what is that? First year over, second year or half year. Means last half year. What is that? Last half year, dear children? Correct answer, dear children. For last half year. Last half year. Last half year, that principal amount. See, this is first year over, second year over. This is last half year interest I am finding. Amount also I am finding. See, principal became, see, look here. At the end of the second year, I will look here, I will underline this one for second year. At the end of the second year, amount is 10,580. That became principal. Shall I write here? That principal is equal to 10,580 rupees. Is it correct? Next, that time is equal to what is? Half year. Then rate of interest is equal to 15% per annum. Per annum 15%, but we are calculating half year, no problem. But don't take here 7%. Don't reduce the rate of interest. What next step, dear children? See, same as it is interest. Formula is equal to PTR divided by 100. Then principal amount for last half year. The principal amount I consider from the at the end of the second year amount is principal amount. That is 10,580. Shall I substitute here, dear children? Look here. 10,580 into time is half year, 1 by 2 into rate of interest is 15 divided by 100. This half divided by 100 means 2 will come to denominator only, because I wrote like this. Don't take confusion. Next, simplification, dear children. See, here 1 0 1 0 cancel. 1 0 1 0 cancel. Then this 2 divisible by 15 and 10 divisible by 5. 5 3 is a 5 2 is a. Next step, 1058 into 3 divided by 2 into 2, dear children. This simplification is very important. How I did understanding? Like you should write, do simplification easy way. In easy table only should divide. Don't go to multiplication and this 2 multiplication 200 division, don't do. See what I did, denominator. If I did not cancel like this means 100 into 2, 200 will come. But now what I got it, 2 2s are 4. Here numerator 1058 into 3 is there. See, 1058 is divisible by 4. Why? Because it is a even number. See, 4 2s are 8. Then 2 carry 25. 4, then it is incomplete division from 4, because I will divide by 2 only. Easy way. Again 2. See, it is divisible by 4 completely, means you should divide 4 ones are, then it divide from 4. 2 ones are. Then this one, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10, clear. 2 2s are 4. 1 carry, it became 18. 2 9s are 18 into 3 divided by 2, dear children. Understood? Now, this multiplication, then I will divide from by 2. Shall I do long division here? This one, this type of division you should write in the right side of the notebook, CW. Shall I do? This 2 multiplication is equal to 3 9s are 27, 2 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 3 5s are 15. 1587. 1587. Understood? See, 5 to 9. 3 9. 9 3s are 27. 7 2 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 3 5s are 15. Divided by 2 only. This division, if you want, do long division from 2. 1587. I will show, look here. 2 7s are 14. 1 carry 18. 2 9s are 18. Then 0 7. 2 3s are 6. 1 decimal point 0. 2 5s are. Means we got it. Interest is equal to 793.5 only. Why we got here a very less amount compared to last year interest? This 1380 here 793.5 is because of half year, 15% per annum. Understood, dear children? This division I am rubbing here, but you don't rub. You should write in your right side of the CW, dear children. See now, at the end of this half year, last half year, that amount became, dear children. See that amount. This is interest. But amount I will write here, dear children. Look here. Amount is equal to principal plus interest is equal to principal amount in the beginning of the year means 10,580 plus interest is 793.5. It became amount is equal to, at the end of the amount is equal to, see, addition I will do. See, look at Jerjan, 10,580.0. Here 0.5 is it, remaining 793. How I am doing addition, understanding? You should also do like this. Here this one after decimal point nothing is a decimal point after 0 is a. Here decimal point after 5 is a, you write like this. Okay. Addition 0 plus 5, 5 will come. Point 3 plus 0, 3. Then 9 plus 8. Then 8 to 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17, 1 carry. Then 8 plus 5 became 13, 1 carry. Means this is 11,373.5 is the amount, dear children. Amount of the at the end of the half year. 11,373.5 is the amount, dear children. Understood? See now, final amount. How much paying to the money lender? Look here, dear children. This is the answer of this question. Amount is equal to the required amount. This one I write neatly, dear children. The symbol of amount, rupees. 11,337.5 is the amount at the end of the 2.5 year. I am paying by calculating the compound interest. The amount 11,373.5 for 8,000 principal. Beginning how much I collected? 8,000. Rate of interest 15% per annum for 2.5 year. I finding the by compound interest. Look here. First year what I did, I will give the expression. Principal amount, initial amount 8,000. Rate of interest for 1 year, I find out the interest 1,200. Then at the end of the first year, I find out the amount is equal to principal plus interest is equal to 9,200. This 9,200 became being a principal amount of the second year. The principal 9,200, time is also 1 year. Rate of interest same 15%. Then interest I got 1,380. Then at the end of the second year, amount is equal to principal plus interest means principal means the beginning of the second year 9,200 plus interest is 1,380. I got it 10,580. Then 10,580 is the last half year. For last half year, principal amount 10,580. Then time is half year. Then rate of interest 15%. I substituted for this formula. Then I got it. The interest is equal to 793.5. Then final amount, how much we are paying at the end of this 2.5 year is 11,373.5. One more question is a compound interest. Look at the children. Compound interest is equal to final amount. This is final amount. Final amount minus initial principal. Initial principal is equal to final amount. How much we got? 11,000 directly. 11,373.5 minus initial amount is 8,000 is equal to see, easy. You should ignore 7 and 373.5 extra. 11,000 minus 8 means 11,000 minus 8,000 means how much will come? 3,000. 3,337.5. 3,000. I write here. 3,373.5 rupees is the compound interest. Rupees is 3,373.5 is the required answer. How much I am paying for 2.5 year compound interest is 3,373.5. 3,373.5 plus 8,000, I will get final amount 11,373.5. If you want, you should subtract this one, you will get this one only. Understood? Easy, sir. Similar problem you should practice. Any confusion came, watch the video from once again beginning, you will understand. Okay? Shall I continue one more problem? Yes, children. Dear children, in the exercise third problem, I will read that question. Calculate the amount under the compound interest on first sub question rupees 4,600 in 2 years when the rates of interest of rates. Why? Because different rates is the rates of interest of successive years are 10% and 12% respectively. I am finding the amount. How much amount for 2 years? The first year rate of interest is 10%, second year rate of interest 12%. The initial principal amount is 4,600, dear children. Dear children, coming to the solution part. See, before write the steps, I will give the int. For first year, principal amount is, initial amount is 4,600. Time is 1 year. The first year rate of interest is 10%. Then I will find out interest. Then at the end of the first year, I will find out the amount. That amount became the second year principal. The second year principal I will write, but time is also 1 year. Rate of interest is 12%. Like this, different problem this one. Understood? Shall I write the steps? For first year, look at it, children. This one. For first year, principal amount is equal to rupees 4,600. Time is equal to 1 year. Rate of interest is equal to 10% per annum. Okay. What is the formula? You know that interest formula is equal to PTR divided by 100 is equal to principal is 4,600 into time is 1 year into rate of interest 10% divided by 100. What next step, dear children? See, here 20, here 20 cancel. 46 into 10. Then interest is equal to 46 to 10 became 460 only, dear children. The first year interest, how much I am paying means 460 for 4,600 principal at the rate of interest 10%. Now amount became, amount is equal to, see, the first at the end of the first year amount is equal to principal plus interest. Which principal? Initial amount plus at the end of the first year interest is equal to principal is 4,600 plus interest how much is it? 460 is equal to, then 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 0 6, then 4 plus 6 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 4 5, 5,060 rupees only. What is it? At the end of the first year 5,060 is the amount, dear children. Okay. What next step? Then for second year, directly I am going to see how many years we want here. 2 years. For second year, principal amount is equal to, don't take 4,600, first year end, amount is the principal of second year. Understood? Principal is equal to rupees 5,060. Then time is equal to 1 year. Rate of interest is equal to, don't write 10, you should take 12. Why? Because rate of interest is changed successive years. Now, formula, what is that formula? Interest formula is equal to PTR divided by 100 is equal to principal amount. How much is there? You know that 5,060 only into time is 1 year into rate of interest is 12 divided by 100. What next step? 1010. See, this 10, this 10 cancel. Don't cancel this 10, this 10. It became wrong, dear children. Our students, they will do that method, easy method. Don't do that method. Okay. What next step? 506 into 12 divided by 10. I will continue here, dear children. Then interest is equal to 506 into 12 divided by, what is that? 10 only, dear children. What next step? 12 and this 12 and 10 divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. Then is equal to 506 into 6 divided by 5, dear children. See, 506 is not divisible by 5 completely, because I will multiply this to, what is the multiplication, dear children? Is equal to, interest is equal to 6 6 are 36. Directly I am writing 36 because of 6 into 0, 0. 0 plus 3, 3 will come. 6 5s are 30. Divided by 5. The division, I will do long division. You should learn divide here only. Practice. Understanding. But I will show now in long division. From 5 I will divide 3036. See, 30 is divisible by 6. 6 5s are 30. 0. Then 3 carry. Then 3 is not is less number compared to 5. 0. Then 0. 3. This 6 comes to here. 6 5 7s are 35. Then 1 carry, decimal point 0. Then 5 2s are 10. The answer is, interest is 607.2, dear children. Understood? This one I will rub. You should don't rub. You should write in your right side of the notebook. Then what next step? Amount is equal to principal plus interest is equal to principal amount in the beginning of the second year 5,060 plus interest at the end of the second year 607.2 is equal to, amount is equal to, addition after decimal point 0 plus 2 will come after decimal point. 7 plus 0 7, 0 plus 6 6 plus 0 6, then 5. 5,667.2. I will find here once again 5,060.0 607.2. 0 plus 2 2, 6 0 plus 7 7, 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 0 6 5. 5,667.2 is the amount at the end of the second year. The final amount is final amount at the end of second year. I am writing the conclusion. Year is equal to rupees 5,667.2 rupees. This is a conclusion of amount. Then I want compound interest and also compound interest and the compound interest also. Compound interest is equal to the final amount minus initial principal is equal. Final amount, how much is the, dear children, here? Final amount is 5,667.2 minus initial amount, what is it? This is 4,600. The compound interest is equal to should subtract, dear children. I will show subtraction here. 5667.2, then 4600.0. 2 minus 0, 2. 0.7 minus 0, 7. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Then 5 minus 4, 1. Means the compound interest, how much we are paying? 1067.2 rupees, dear children. This is the required compound interest. This is the required final amount also. That final amount is 5667.2. The compound interest is the 1067.2 only, dear children. These two are required answer. Easy is it? Like similar problem, one more problem, sub question in third May should solve, dear children. Okay. For you, one message is that, dear children, who did not register your board registration, who did not complete, you should complete. Don't neglect. Everything we are struggling for your education only. Don't misuse and don't think taking second thought also. Okay. As early as possible, registration you should finish it. Inform to your parents. Good luck, children.